Alrighty everybody, this is Trey with BlackFalconElectronics.com, and in this video I will be demonstrating Project Aura, which is the automated unmanned reconnaissance airplane. As of right now, it's not fully automated. I have it being controlled by this here remote, but this is proof of concept for what will soon be a fully automated system. So everything I made myself. I got the parts myself, coded myself. There was really no intervention as far as assistance. I had to figure it all out on my own, and it took a couple months. But be that as it may, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how this works. So I have three knobs here. This will be the motor control. This will be determining whether the plane goes up or down. This determines if the plane goes left or right. So first things first, I'll be activating the motor. As I turn this knob, you'll soon see the motor kick on, and we're going to ramp her down. Okay, next thing we're going to do is demonstrate the plane going left and right. So right now the plane will be going left. And then we're going to have the plane going right. Then we're going to even her out. Then we're going to have the plane go up. And we're going to have her go down. There we go. So that is the control so far. Like I said, things will be a lot different when I have it automated. But I am very excited to say that Project Aura, as it stands now, has finished and fully completed its beta test. Look for updates at BlackFalconElectronics.com. I'll have a link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.